I'm going to show you how to make Roti Canai. It is a delicious flaky bread. It's perfect to eat with curry, like in Malaysia and India. When I was young, I also enjoyed it in Thailand. To make the dough, prepare 1.5 ounces of melted butter. In a mixing bowl, put 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. It will bring a delicious flavor. Also add a half tablespoon of salt, 1 cup of lukewarm water. Mix until the milk is diluted. You can also add 1 egg to get a softer texture. I prefer the crisper version without egg. Add the melted butter. Mix. Also put 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Mix until getting a sticky dough. Cover and let it sit for 30 minutes. During this period, the flour absorbs the water and so the dough will be less sticky. Then knead for 5 minutes. Run your hand through the little flour. The dough becomes soft and elastic. Divide it into 8 parts and shape them into balls. Dip each ball in vegetable oil. This prevents their surface from drying out. Cover them with cling film. Also put a lid on and let sit in the fridge overnight. During this rest, the gluten unfolds and makes the dough very elastic and stretchable. The next day, take out the dough. Prepare a small bowl of oil, 5 ounces of melted butter, and a small roller. Spread oil on the work surface. Take a piece of dough. With the hands, flatten it into a disc. Coat it with oil. Take one side of the dough with 2 hands. Lift it up and throw it onto the work surface. Repeat this operation several times. The dough spreads little by little. It stretches and becomes more and more thinner. Try it, you will be surprised. This technique is easy. We can see that the dough is very thin in the center. Continue to spread it by pulling the edges. Apply a little more oil. The thinner the dough is, the more flakiness it will have. Spread 1 tablespoon of melted butter on the surface of the dough. It allows, during cooking, to keep the layers of the dough separated. Push the 2 sides towards the center. Then roll it up like this. Put the end under the roll. Flatten the roll a little. First, spread the edges with the roller. Then gradually spread the center outwards until getting a thin disc. If there are a few holes, it doesn't matter. At this stage, you can freeze them between 2 sheets of baking paper. Put it in a pan previously heated to medium heat. Let it grill for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Flip it over and leave it for 1 minute. Spread a little melted butter so that it becomes crispy. Flip it over and leave it for another minute. Spread butter again. Flip it one last time and leave 30 seconds. The Roti Canai are ready. They are buttery flavored, crispy and flaky. Bon appétit! Enjoy them with a savory sauce dish, like curry. In the traditional version, the butter is replaced by ghee. You can also try them for breakfast or as a snack. Thank you! See you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.